get us quickly introduced to Microsoft Excel. This is Coded Complex and you are welcome back. If you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button as you are going to learn the basic introduction to Microsoft Excel today. Alright, so basically once you launch your Excel on your desktop, this is the background you're going to see. Okay, so starting from the file tab, we have the file tab where you'll be able to do so many things. You want to save your file, you want to open a previous file that you saved already, you go to your file, that is where you get those things. And see you have your new, you want to open already saved file, you want to save, print and all of that. Okay, so the next tab we see here is the home tab. So in the home tab is where you'll be able to format your cells. Okay, so we'll also have the insert tab where you'll be able to insert tables and the rest of them. You can insert pictures and all of that. Okay, so basically the ribbon area is where you get to navigate through your workbook and do so many things. Okay, so once we start working with Excel, we'll get to learn more about the ribbon. Okay, so for now this is just basic introduction. So we've seen the ribbon area, which is this top part, and we can also see the title of book. By default it's titled book 1. So this book 1 can be changed when you want to save. Let's say I want to save this file. I can be able to choose the location I want to save it. Let me save it to desktop. Then I can be able to change this and maybe say Excel class 1. Okay, so I'll go ahead and save, and you see the name has changed. Okay, so we can also notice that the Excel is numbered and lettered. By column it is lettered A, B, C down to Z, and then it continues from A, B, A, C and all of that. Okay, so we have column 1, which is A, column B, column C, and that to C. Once it gets to C, it starts from AA, AB, AC down to infinity. Okay, and then we have also the rows, which are numbered 1 to 100, thousands, and name them. Okay, so these are the numerous numbers of cells we have in each workbook. So in this workbook we can create multiple sheets. So what you're seeing here now is the first sheet, which happens to be sheet 1, and you can also rename this sheet 1. Okay, let me call it first sheet. Alright, so we can as well create our second sheet. Okay, and we can also rename it. So these are basically what you can do with your Excel. So I want us to notice that between each in the intersection of a cell, a column and a row is called a cell. So this is Excel, and each cell has a unique identification number. So like this cell now is on column G, row 10. So the name of this column is going to be what? G10. Okay, so you can see it here. This is where the name is written, G10, and that place is called what? Name box. It's called name box. So each column has its name. So let's look at this one. This should be G, this should be I11. So you can see I11 here. So let's come to this place. This is N11, and you can see N11 here. Alright, so this is the formula bar. This is where you type every formula you want to type and you want to input. Any formula I'm going to type here now will be coming inside of this selected column. So once we start working with Excel, you get to understand more of these things. Alright, so as we work with Excel, you'll be seeing so many things you're going to be learning from me. So this is just basically to introduce you to the working background of Excel. In our next video, we'll start doing some calculations and some practice here on Excel. I'll see you right in my next video. Hit the subscribe button, like and share this video, and anticipate more.